There always have to be enough good people that it's worthwhile for God to keep this show going. That's what I keep trying to explain to these evil people. Yes, you're of the devil. Yes, you're of Satan. Yes, you're going to hell. But at least, you can exist for now, provided God still wants to keep this show running. You can continue to live here. But as soon as you make it impossible for anybody worthwhile to live here with you, suddenly the whole thing is not worth the upkeep. And the whole thing can be rewritten. And in that case, you're going to go to hell permanently. There will be no salvation for you, no possibility of salvation for you. And you're going. So in other words, really, Satan needs to come to God on a certain level to a certain extent. Obviously, if God does a rewrite, Satan will cease to exist in his current form as well. He will die. I believe that Satan is trying to go to God. Unfortunately, he has a bunch of complete garbage in his camp. Once respect for God begins to disintegrate, and it goes, there is nothing constraining total degeneration. And Satan began, the way they describe Satan in the Bible, for example, he began as an angel, a fallen angel, but still an angel, still a part of God. That's the only way he can exist, is by being a part of God. Now he is in crisis because his followers, the people who, would ordinarily be thought of as Satanists, are not even good enough for Satan. They're literally not good enough for the devil, because they are acting in a way that will cause the devil himself to perish. You see? That's how evil some of these people are. And they're crawling all over the place here. We've got to do something about it. That's why this is very, very important to all of us.